Hello YouTubers, my name is Anand and welcome to my another Android tutorial. In this video, I will show you guys how to create your first Android application. In this video, we will create very simple Android application Hello World. So without any further delay, let's start. First, open your Android Studio. If you are opening Android Studio first time, you will see a window like this. Here you have multiple options to choose from. For example, the first option is Start a new Android Studio project. If you want to create completely new Android Studio project, then you will choose this option. If you have already an Android Studio project and you just want to open it, then select second option. Since we are going to create our first Android application from scratch, we will click on first option. Once you click on the first option, you will see a new project creation wizard. Here you have to provide few details regarding your new Android project. First, you have to provide application name. I am giving name here Hello World as application name, but you are free to provide any name you like. Once you start writing application name, notice that Android Studio automatically starts editing package name and project location based on your application name. But don't worry, you can change them later. Next option is company domain. Here you have to provide your company domain name. For example, if your company name is XYZ, then you can provide xyz.com as a company domain. I am giving here the techpioneer.com as company domain. If you are an independent developer or you don't have any company, then you can put anything here like your name.com or your name.org. Also, there is no need to buy a domain name to create or distribute Android application. You are free to choose any domain name you like. Next option is package name. Here you notice that based on my application name and domain name, Android Studio has already edited the package name for me. Thumb rule to give the package name is reverse domain name dot your application name. For example, here I have given the techpioneer.com as domain name. So reverse of it is com.thetechpioneer. And my application name is Hello World. So based on thumb rule, our package name is com.thetechpioneer.helloworld. You can edit the package name if you are not happy with the current package name. To edit the package name, click on the edit button given at the right side. Here you can provide the package name you like. Once you are happy with the package name, simply click done. While providing package name for the application, always keep in mind that few domain names like android.com, example.com are already reserved and you should not use them as a domain name. If you do so, then you won't be able to publish your application on the Google Play Store in future. So it's better not to use it. Also, package name of your application should be unique because Google uses this package name to uniquely identify your application on the Play Store. But here is one question. How can we know if the package name is unique or not? Well, there is a little trick for that. Let's see how can we know if the package name we are providing is unique or not. Open your web browser and go to Google. Simply type Google Play Store and then press enter. Most probably, the first link that pops up will be from google.com and it's the correct link. Click on it. If you are not able to find the correct link, then copy and paste this URL. This is the official Google Play Store page. At the left side, you can see different categories. Here click on apps. Now click on any application. I am opening my own Android application GreetSun. Now closely look at the URL of this application. As you can see here, ID equal to com.thetechpioneer.greetsun. This ID is actually the package name of this application. Now in place of this ID, write your package name. For example, if your application's package name is com.thetechpioneer.helloworld, then type it in place of this package name. Now press enter. After pressing enter, if you see a web page like this saying, "We are sorry, the requested URL was not found on this server," then it means nobody have used this package name yet and you are free to use this package name. Now let's back to the project creation. Next option is project location. This will be the default location of your new Android project. If you are not happy with it, click on this small button at the right side, which is showing 3 horizontal dots. After that, you will see a window like this. Here you can choose any location or folder where you want to save your newly created project. Once satisfied with the location, click OK. Now click next button. On this window, you will choose the type of device for which you want to create an Android application. In my previous tutorial, I had explained that Android OS runs on different types of devices including phone, tablet, smartwatch, auto and TV. Here you can choose different types of devices in combination to each other. For example, if you want to create Android app for both phone and tablet and Wear device, then select both options. This is our first Android application, so we will only create application for phone and tablet. Apart from types of devices, you will also have to provide minimum SDK. Here by default API 15 is selected, which is Android version 4.0.3 ice cream sandwich. It means Android application which you are going to create will run only on those devices which runs on Android version 4.0.3 and above. If you choose API level 15, then your app won't run on devices which have lower API level than 15. In my previous tutorial, History of Android, I had explained API level in great detail. If you don't know what is API level, then please watch my previous tutorial. Link for the video is given in the description below, please check it out. Now please notice the lines here that says if you target API level 15 and later, your app will run approximately 100% of the devices that are active on Play Store. If you choose API level 21, that is Android 5.0 Lollipop, then it shows 71.3%. While choosing minimum SDK, you should always target maximum number of devices. So always choose API level as minimum as possible so that you can cover maximum number of devices. For this particular application, I am keeping API level 15, which covers 100% of the devices on the Google Play Store. Now click Next. Here you can choose the type of screen you want for your application. All these screens are predefined templates provided by Android Studio. You are free to choose any template you like based on your project requirement. For this project, I'll keep it very simple and choose empty activity. Now click Next. In this window, you will be asked to customize the activity. You have to provide activity name and layout name here. In Android, activity is a very simple screen which shows the user interface, and layout is used to design the user interface. For example, if you want to show to user a simple text message hello world, then you create a layout with simple text message hello world and then you can attach that layout to the activity. Here first option is activity name. By default it's given a name main activity. Here you can change it if you are not happy with it. I am not changing it. Next option is the layout name. I am keeping the name as it is, but if you want to change it, you can change it. Now click finish. Once you click finish, Android Studio will start building your project. If you are creating or opening your project first time, then it may take some time to build the entire project. Please be patient. Once build process is done, Android Studio opens with just created project. Congratulations, you have successfully created your first Android application. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will catch you guys on my next video. Till then, keep learning and have a nice day.